Good morning, students. Welcome back to your computer class. As we have completed our chapter QBasic, so today we are going to discuss the exercise of the chapter and question answers of the chapter QBasic. Okay, so I just write exercise and question answer of Q basic. Okay, by so let's coming on to the textbook as for see the question answers or sorry take the correct answer. So basic language was developed in the year. So the basic language was developed in the year that is your 1963. Second, these operators are used to compare two values of the same type. As you know, which operator compare two values of the same type is your relational. Okay, arithmetic do the calculation and logical is or and. Okay, a data value that does not change during the execution of a program. ये पहले मैंने बताया था कि एग्जीक्यूशन के टाइम जो वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होती दैट इज कांस्टेंट बिकॉज वेरिएबल्स चेंज हो जाते हैं. द स्टेटमेंट यूज टू डिस्प्ले द आउटपुट ऑन द स्क्रीन. सो प्रिंट और लेट और इनपुट. So the answer is print. Okay. In print command, the message is enclosed. As you know, the messages are enclosed in double quotes, single quotes, okay, or semicolons. But here the option is given you the double quotes, and of course in print it is written in double quotes. Running a program to get the output. Output means result. To get a result is called. So the answer is run. Okay, run is the answer. Now it's time for the fill in the blanks. Basic was developed by, there are two person who developed Basic. First one is John Kameny and second one is your Thomas Kurtz. These two persons were there, John Kameny and Thomas Kurtz. So the second one is Q basic stands for, so simple, it's quick, 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 beginners, all purpose, symbolic instruction code. Symbolic instruction code. Okay, this is the full form of Q basic. Now the third fill in the blanks is command is used to clear the previous output on the screen. So it's very easy. CLS, clear screen, is the command used to display, used to clear the previous output on the output screen. Next question is dash is a non-executable statement. So RAM RAM is a non-executable statement. Again, the QBasic was released by, who has released QBasic? So Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft released QBasic in 1991. The values given by cannot be changed at a time of execution. Which values cannot be changed? So you know that constant values cannot be changed at the time of execution. Dash stand for remark. Again, rem, simple. Rem stands for remark, and the last is statements is used to terminate the program. So end is used to terminate the program, that you will come out of the program. Okay, so these are the fill in the blanks. Once again you can see John Kemenet, Thomas Kurd, quick beginners, all purpose symbolic instruction, CLS, RAM, Microsoft, constants, RAM and end. Okay, now coming to the true false. QBasic is version of basic. Yes, it's a version of basic. Okay, true. Basic is a word processor. False. Basic is not a word processor. Okay, basic programs automatically checks syntax. Yes, it automatically checks syntaxes. Single command is called a statement. True. Single command is called statement. The last one is that relational operators are used to compare the two values of the same type. Yes, it compares the two values of the same type. Okay, so true, false, true, true, true. Now give the full form of basic. So you can write the full form of basic, or basic stands for okay, beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. Stands for beginners all purpose symbolic instruction. I think code will just little bit here. Code. Okay, stands for beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. Who developed QBasic language and when? So very simple answer again, John Kemenet and Thomas Kurd in 1963. Okay, I hope you all are getting. Name the parts of basic window. So the basic window has different parts, that is menu bar, then program window, next immediate window, and status bar. status bar. So menu bar, program window, immediate window and status bar. Okay. Five elements of QBasic. So the five elements of QBasic are character, set, constants, variables, operators and statements. Okay. What is the use of CLS command in QBasic? So CLS command is used to clear the output screen. So these are the short answers questions. Okay. Now the long answer question, like first one is what is basic, differentiate between constants and variables, what are operators, explain their different types with examples, then describe the use of the following statements with syntax, and then you are having application based questions also, and then the lab activity which I told you as a homework also to complete it. So let's do the question answers also, the long one. So long answer questions. First one is what is basic? So basic is a high level programming language. Basic stands for, you all know also, beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. Okay, this is the full form. This language is designed, okay, or simply this language was specially developed for training the beginners in the programming. Okay, so this was the first answer, what is basic. Now the second one is differentiate between constant and variables. Wait, why it is going up? Okay, constants are the data or the values in a program that cannot be changed during the program execution. The data may be letters, words, numbers, or special characters. Okay, and next there are data values which can be changed. A variable is the name given to a memory location. Okay, memory location that has a value. So this is your second, constant and variables, the difference between them. Now your third question is what are operators, and explain their different types with examples. So first you write operators are symbols that indicate the type of operation QBasic has three types of operators. You know about that operators? I'm mentioning over here. First one is arithmetic operators. Okay, wait. Okay, operators. So these are used to perform mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, division, okay, multiplication and exponential. Okay, some of the operators are comma, minus, comma, divide, comma, star and slash. Okay, so here it will be and slash. Second part is your relational operator. Relational operator, and then you will get logical operators also. So these are used to compare two values of the same type. Okay, and the result of comparison is either true or false. Examples of operators are equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, okay, etc. So the next one is your third logical operator. Okay, you can write this from the book also. There's combined two or more relational expressions. So this will do later in the next video. Okay, the rest of the questions, and hope the chapter is completed till then. So have a nice day. Stay healthy and safe. Thank you.